I just arrived at the office. It's almost 9. As you know, some of you know, some of you don't know, I have a newborn. It's almost 2 months old now. But when you have a newborn, you cannot sleep deep. But it's like such a great joy. The caffeine drink by choice I have today is Red Bull. What we're doing today, we're recording video upsells for a product. So I'm gonna show you my process of how I write and how I create my upsell pages. Before I get into this type of work, what I like to do usually is do deep studying. At the moment, I study sales. My book by choice today is Spin Selling. It's the field book, and I think this is the best book to learn selling. So if you have zero experience selling stuff, I suggest you read also Spin Selling. So this is Spin Selling workbook. But if you are completely new, I would start with Spin Selling, the main book, and then I would do the field book. Although those two books are very, very similar when it comes to content, but the field book is kind of like a student book. So you have exercises. As you can see, you have all those graphs. So it makes you think. It helps you create your own sales script, and it gives you a very good starting point on how to close high ticket sales. I think this is the best book on the market. I think this is the best system if you want to sell high ticket. If you are in the coaching consulting agency space, I strongly recommend this book. So the first thing I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna complete section 10 and section 11, or chapter 10 and chapter 11 of the book. And then I'm gonna go into recording my upsells. And then after that, I'll start assembling the funnel. And I'm assembling a low ticket book funnel. I pretty much have all the products. I think I just need to record a few videos here and there. But when it comes to this type of product, it takes a lot of work to complete it. And I'm studying sales because after this low ticket product, I have a high ticket offer. So this is it. I'm gonna start working on my sales presentation, and I'll take you with me for another exciting day in the world of business, online, internet marketing, or whatever you want to call it. I'm done with the spin selling for today. If you are interested, I'm just gonna share that I did the needs payoff questions, and now the next thing I have to do, that I'll do probably later this week, is the demonstrating capability. And based on what I learned so far, I'll start assembling my script. Meanwhile, I had some avocado toast. When I read a book, I usually take notes. So these are the notes I've taken when I read Spin Selling, and I'm almost there. I'm almost done. And once I do the book, because it's kind of like a workbook, I'll just assemble my script, and I'll just do the pitch presentation. I think this guy, the guy who wrote Spin Selling, calls it demonstrate capability. So it's a much better way to say pitching a client. Done reading. I'm gonna have another coffee. I'm gonna open my laptop and I'm gonna edit the upsell scripts. Meanwhile, I had some I had some troubles with Facebook. So today I open my Facebook and I see my ads are not spending, and I'm like, oh, it's probably a glitch in the system. But what I've discovered is that my Facebook page got unpublished. So running Facebook ads is very, very challenging. I won't lie. You have the algorithm issues, you have restricted assets, you have pages being unpublished. So it takes a lot of nerves to run Facebook ads, but luckily I resolved the problem. So if one day you wake up and you see that your Facebook ads are not spending the budget and everything seems to be fine, double check if your Facebook page was unpublished because I didn't get any notification for that. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna have another coffee, um, and I'm gonna start editing some scripts. I'm done for the day. I recorded 3 upsell videos. I'm pretty tired. I don't have anything else to say rather than that creative work takes a lot out of you. If I have to be honest with myself and if I have to look myself in the mirror and just ask the question, what's the work I'm really avoiding? Because you heard the famous quote, the magic is in the work you really avoid. This will be selling people on the phone. This will be number one. And I think this is the first thing I have, the first problem I have. And the second problem would be like delegating some of my tasks. Because when it comes to the art of marketing, the art of persuasion, the art of selling digital products through funnels, I'm very, very good. But the next step in my growth would be to start getting people on the phone, start closing, start adding high ticket products to my business, and then turning this into a business, like hiring people, outsourcing certain elements of the business, not like outsourcing but working out with a team. When it comes to managing people, I think I'm very, very good at managing people. I have experience managing people such as leadership and so on, organizations and companies I worked for in the past. So for me, the biggest challenge that I'm facing right now would be getting people on the phone and closing high ticket. And this is something that I'll do for the rest of the year and maybe for the rest of my life. But I'm just avoiding this thing. I'm just avoiding. Do I fear it? Yes and no, because did I already did sales. I already have clients. So when it comes to closing clients and working with people, there is nothing that challenges me that much. But for the product I'm working on right now, the one-on-one consulting offer I have, I believe it's gonna be very, very, very good offer. And I think for me to help more people and just expand my reach, this is the most reasonable solution. Yeah, so this was the video for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you watch my previous videos. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon.